Good morning, good afternoon and good evening and welcome to School of Gold. Today we are focusing on quite an important concept. It is problem solving in mathematics. Now, two questions that a lot of students get wrong. Now, here's one. I'll let you zoom in and you can pause your computer so you can read it. Now, I'll take a step back. 37 children were on a bus trip. The bus broke down. How many 5-seater cars can take the children back to school? Now, what is the question asking you? Firstly, they're children. There are 37 children on a bus. Secondly, how many cars can take them back? Thirdly, how many children can be in the car? If you are thinking 5, the answer will be wrong because children can't drive. So, there is a driver and 4 children per car. Now that is your biggest clue. 4 children per car. Now, if you know your 4 times tables, let's count together. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now, how many children? 37. But 9 times 4 is 36. Does that mean it's 9 cars? No, because there is still one extra child that needs to go in a car to go back to school. So it has to be up until 40 kids. So the answer is 10. 10 times 4 is 40. It doesn't matter if the number is 37 because that one extra child can go home in that car. So the answer is 10. 10 times 4. 10 cars. Remember, 5-seater car, children cannot drive. If you remember that strategy, for the next question, you'll get it correct. Are you ready for the next question? Ta-da! I'll zoom in for you. I'll go back a little bit so you can see me. Now, 42 children were on a bus trip. The bus broke down. Aww. How many 5-seater cars can take their children back to school? Same strategy. Can children drive? No. So how many seats per car? 4. 4 children per car. Now, 42. How many cars? Same strategy. Well, we know that 10 times 4 is 40 from the previous question. So that means we will need 1 extra car, which makes it 11 cars because there are 42 children and every single child needs to go back to school. So 11 times 4 is 44. So that will make it 11 cars to go back to school. If you see a similar question like this, remember, what is the question asking you? How many cars? Or it could say, how many left over? But they still need to go home or back to school. I hope that has helped. Now, boys and girls, continue logging on to School of Gold.